Assam Rifles, in coordination with Manipur police, seized drugs in Mao Senapati district, Manipur. The operation resulted in the recovery of 22 soap cases containing a total of 260 grams of brown sugar valued at Rs.2.6 lakhs. The seized narcotics have been handed over to the police for further investigation and legal action. In another operation, Assam Rifles, in collaboration with Manipur police, conducted a successful operation in the Charoibung area of Imphal West district on June 19. During this operation, a substantial cache of arms and ammunition was recovered, including 1 carbine machine gun, 2 shingle barrel guns, 12 grenades, 6 tube launchers, ammunition and various other warlike tools. These recovered items are crucial in maintaining peace and security in the region and preventing illegal activities. The authorities continue to investigate the origin and intended use of these weapons, aiming to dismantle any networks involved in their distribution.